And what is it, that you can say to younger people, and even elderly people, people that's perhaps in your same age group, to just keep them motivated during this time, and just to let them know that, yeah, we're going through this process, but, keep your mind active.
Everybody has got a talent somewhere. It's for you to find that, to discover it, and work on it. I was fortunate. I discovered mine at primary school, and it's a natural thing. I mean, some people has talent in carpentry or whatever. Once you find it, just gotta pursue it, stick to it.
So tell us, this is a special guitar because you're left-handed.
Yeah.
Were you struggling to find a left-handed guitar?
Well, in the 70s, yes. In the 70s, they weren't available. We had to specially import them. So I thought the next best thing is build my own one.
So that is also something to encourage people. If you can't find it, make it yourself.
Yeah. Most things. I mean, I built a lot of stuff around the house. Dabble in a bit of bricklaying even sometimes. So just anything. If I can't find something or I can't afford it, do it myself.